How to pin a playlist on Spotify. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to pin a playlist on Spotify easy and fast. All what you have to do is go to Spotify. Now this is the home page as you can see right here. Go to your library right here, and this is my playlist that I want to pin. Now click on it and keep clicking until it gives you those options. Now click pin playlist and it's pinned successfully. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you in the next one. Thank you so much and see you later.